Now the next question for multiple integrals is in which we have to change the order of integration. Okay, it is change order of integration. Of the integral this is 0 to 1 x square to 2 minus x. ठीक है, xy dy dx. ठीक है, and hence evaluate. For this now we have to draw the region of integration. Okay, this I have drawn x-axis, y-axis, y-axis, x-axis. So now you will see that for drawing the region of integration, what we will do, we will write the limits. The given limits are ठीक है, these are देखो तो inner limits are for y is equal to x square to y is equal to 2 minus x and x equals to 0 to x equals to 1, right? वैसे तो हमें मोस्टली यहाँ पे y is equal to x square जो अंदर वाली लिमिट्स है मोस्टली वहां से हमें रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन पता लग जाता है, ठीक है, बट इट कैन बी समटाइम्स डिफरेंट. Okay, so then we have to check it accordingly. So now you see that this is y is equal to x square. This is the parabola. What type of parabola? It is upward parabola. Right? This is upward parabola. And this is the line y is equal to 2 minus x. ठीक है, तो अगर इसको आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे x plus y is equal to 2 हो गया. Y is equal to 2 minus x. And for this, I want to take the points of intersection also. Okay? Otherwise, I know that this line is like this. Earlier, you had drawn this line y plus x is equal to 1. So it was the line drawn like this. So the same way here, it is going to appear in the same manner. Okay? I'm going to take it a little bit here. Otherwise, also, I need the points of intersection. Reason that I have to write the limits. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए अब आप देखो पहले the points of intersection of the parabola and the line. Okay, for this we know that it is we will equate the two values of y. This implies x square is equal to 2 minus x, or I have x square plus x minus 2, right? Making the linear factors, it is x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay, you can make it. I have used that rule, the sum of the roots and the product of roots, right? And I have made the factors directly. So from here, I will get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. It is plus 2, है ना? It is plus 2. It is x plus 2, x minus 1. So the values are of x are, this is minus 2 and plus 1. For x is equal to minus 2, what is the value of y? I can see here y is 4. Okay, and for x is equal to plus 1, y is equal to 1. Therefore, देखो -2 x -2 y 4. This -2 and 4 and x1 y1 and 1 1 are 2 points of intersection. ठीक है, 2 points of intersection हो गए. ये point हो गया 1, 1 and this point is -2, 4. ठीक है, अब हमने ना रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन लेना. रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन बेटा मेरे को आप बताइए इसमें. You will see that the strip will parallel to y-axis and it is from parabola to line, right? And x varies from 0 to 1. Okay, x varies from 0 to 1. So this is the region of integration. This is region of integration. I was checking some tool to fill the color like it is in paint box. Okay, paintbrush. ठीक है, तो ये region हो गया हमारा. ये this one, this line here, this line and this curved part of the parabola. So this is our required region because x is varying from 0 to 1. Right? Can anyone tell me that if I have to take this whole region, so where will be the change in the limits? And what is that change? You can record your answers from this to this. Okay, very good. 2 answers, both right. Good. Okay, so x will change from -2 to 1. Okay, x की limit क्या आ जाएंगे? -2 to 1. Instead of 0, we will start placing the strip over here. Okay, it will be like this. So it will cover the whole region. It will be from -2 to 1. Yes. The other answers are also coming. -2 to 1. So these are the points of intersection. Therefore, the new limits are okay, limits are, now you check, you have to change the orientation. So here you can see that the upper limit of the region changes, upper edge of the strip changes as soon as it crosses this point. ये point क्या है? Y is equal to 1 है. देखो, this is 0, this is y is equal to 1 and this point will be, of course, it is y is equal to 2. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये point आपका क्या, y is equal to 4 है. ठीक है, the line cuts y-axis at y is equal to 2 because on y-axis x will be 0. So y is equal to 2 is the point where this line cuts the point, cuts y-axis. Okay, so these type of points you can directly show it in the figure. There's no need to go for each and every point to show it there. So now the new limits are, देखो न्यू लिमिट्स लिखने के लिए मेरे को इसको रीजन को स्प्लिट भी करना पड़ेगा. अगेन I don't have any choice that if it is possible to write the integral without splitting it into 2 regions, I will have to split it into 2 regions. So if I draw this point here like this, right, this is the point. Okay, it's little bigger. So this is the partition of the region and these are the 2 strips I have drawn. Okay, 0.11, this is 0.01, this is 0.02. ठीक है, और ये लाइन हमें पता है, ये लाइन कौन सी है? x plus y is equal to 2 and this is parabola y is equal to x square. So now the new limits, there is no need to write the new limits. I will just write the new integral. The new integral after changing the order of integration is ठीक है. I will write it into, split it into two integrals. देखो integrand क्या था, xy. Now it will be dx dy, and again writing this integral first, xy dx dy. Now see, for the first region here y is changing from 0 to 1. ठीक है. In the second region y is changing from 1 to 2. ठीक है. Then I have x changing from this y-axis to parabola. The equation of y-axis is 0. Y is 0 to parabola. Parabola पे y की equation क्या है? Y की value y is equal to x square. ठीक है. In the second region, it is changing from, the strip is getting changed from, the strip is moving from y-axis to this line. ठीक है. The equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. एक मिनट, यहाँ हमें एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं देना. ठीक है. एक्स की वैल्यू लेनी थी हमने. सो एक्स इज 2 minus y. Here also I need the value of x, not of y. ठीक है. So on this parabola I have x is equal to root y. So this is equal to, now we can evaluate this integral. 0 to root y xy dx dy. ठीक है. Then it is 1 to 2 from 0 to 2 minus y xy dx dy. ठीक है. So this is equal to, now you solve this. First को हमने ये solve किया. This is x square y upon 2, 0 to root y. ठीक है. dy. And the same way here, 1 to 2, it is x square y upon 2 from 0 to 2 minus y dy, and then just solve it. You can solve it by yourself also. Take a y into y minus 0 dy plus half comes outside, 1 to 2, right? Y into, this is 2 minus y whole square minus 0, right? Dy. So this is half integral y square, which is y cube upon 3, 0 to 1. Simple calculations are there. Okay, this is, now you will first of all write the limits, integral 1 to 2, and you open this first. Okay, this is going to be y cube minus 4y square plus 4y dy. And then you integrate. This is 1 by 6, 1 cube minus 0 cube, right? 1 by 2, y 4 by 4 minus 4y cube by 3 plus 4y square by 2. The limits are from 1 to 2. And after solving this whole step, you will get the answer as 3 by 8. Okay, so this is to be done by you. The answer comes out to be 3 by 8. Okay, now I'll take one small question, one more small question. And it is very, very, very important question. And it is interesting also. Okay, we'll be able to finish that small question in the given time. Okay, the question is, evaluate this integral from 0 to infinity up to, and this is second is from x to infinity, e to the power minus y upon y dy dx. ठीक है, we just have evaluate this. तो evaluate में क्या होगा, आपने यहाँ पे 0 to infinity, x to infinity. So if now you try to evaluate this, if we have to evaluate it with respect to y, ठीक है, we will have to take some first function. ठीक है, the formula tells that e to the power y minus y should be the first function. So second function will be what? 1 upon y. 1 upon y, when it is integrated, it will give you minus 1 by, it is minus 1 by 2y square and up to so on. ठीक है, the powers of y will go on increasing and this will be some non-terminating solution for the integral, so which is not possible here. So the only way we can solve this improper integral, but you have also the idea of improper integrals you have done in previous semester. This is also the sort of improper integral, but here we are using the trick to solve this improper integral. So what we will do, first of all, we will change the order of integration. Okay, this is y-axis and x-axis here. ठीक है, तो अब इसमें रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन चेंज करना है मैंने. उसमें क्या होगा, जब मैं रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन चेंज करूँ, ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन चेंज करूंगी, तो dx dy, ठीक है, x की विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जब आप इसको इंटीग्रेट करोगे ना, सो दिस होल विल बिहेव एज कांस्टेंट. तो x के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आपके पास इंटीग्रल जो आएगा इंटेग्रेंट, दैट इज 1. ठीक है, then this expression will be simplified and then we can move further to solve this question. तो यही हमें बेनिफिट होगा. The given limits are, ठीक है, these are, देखो y की लिमिट्स है, y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity, right? And x equals to 0 to x equals to infinity. So how we are drawing this? देखो, I can see that this is again the identity function. ठीक है, y is equal to x up to y is equal to infinity. So who will tell me this is region 1 or region 2? Are you past? It will be region 1 or 2. Okay. ठीक है, 2-3 आंसर्स came and all are right. So region 1 है इसमें. ठीक है, कैसे आएगा रीजन 1? कैसे है, देखो, हमने y के अलोंग कैसे मूव करना है, y एक्सिस के पैरेलल. इट इज द स्ट्रिप. ठीक है, ये स्ट्रिप है, ये स्ट्रिप की प्लेसिंग है, स्ट्रिप प्लेस्ड या प्लेसिंग ऑफ स्ट्रिप. सो स्ट्रिप इज मूविंग फ्रॉम दिस लाइन टू y इज इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी. ठीक है, इस लाइन से y इंफिनिटी तक मूव कर रहा है एंड वी स्टार्टेड प्लेसिंग स्ट्रिप at x equals to 0 and up to infinity. So how this region is being traced, it is like this. Okay, so this whole region, you can see that this is a triangular region, but up to infinity it will go because there is no upper bound. Upper bound इसकी infinity तक जा रही है. ठीक है, so इसमें मैं ये strip मैंने ले ली and strip की जो placing है ये यहाँ से लेके आगे तक पूरी आएगी. Therefore now the region is cannot do shading. ठीक है, is marked here in the graph. Therefore now changing the strip to horizontal. ठीक है, horizontal में change कर दिया हमने strip को. Let us take it like this. ठीक है, now the new limits are these are, देखो lower end strip का कहाँ पे है, it is on y axis, means x equals to 0 to this line. ठीक है, ये लाइन क्या है हमारी, y is equal to x, मतलब x is equal to y लिखूंगी मैं, otherwise x is equal to y and y is equal to x, both are same. ठीक है, but when we are writing it in this way, it means y is function of x, this means x is function of y. ठीक है, तो x is equal to y to 0 to x equals to y, and we started placing strip over here, means at y is equal to 0 to y infinity तक जाएगा तभी ये रीजन हमारा ट्रेस होगा, y equals to infinity. Therefore integral I becomes, देखो लिमिट्स इसके लिखो, y is varying from 0 to infinity, x is varying from 0 to y, dx dy, and now just solve this. But minded that the integral part is solving the integral part is very easy. The main thing in these questions is that you have to locate the region or you have to write the right limits. E to the power minus y upon y will now behave as constant. Okay, so 1 ka integral x limits 0 to y. So this is 0 to infinity e to the power minus y upon y. This is y minus 0 dy. Okay, this will be cancelled later on. And this is 0 to infinity e to the power minus y dy. And now integrating it again, it is 0 to infinity. Okay, minus 1 comes outside, e to the power minus infinity e to the power 0. So it is minus 1 into 0 minus 1. So the answer is plus 1. Okay, so this is how you can see that how we have solved one question which seemed impossible to solve in the same way as it is given, but just by changing the order of integration, it is very easy question. Okay, with this I end up with the questions today. That's all for today.